What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna share with you a earning proof of Heroqash agency, a new platform that you can use to make money online in Kenya, so that you can make a decision on whether to get started with it or not. I'll also leave a link in description for you to open your account and then get started with this platform to make money online. And I recommend this platform because it's affordable for anyone. Whether you are a student or a stay-at-home mom, you can utilize such platform to build your skills on marketing and sales, so that with time, as you gain more skills, you'll be able to focus more on high-paying platform such as Digital24, System.io, and many other platforms. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel, because I've decided to make videos on how to generate money online. So I'll also share with you how I've been able to make money with Heroqash agency and how you can copy and paste what I'm doing in order to generate money with Heroqash agency. So let's dive into this video and let's get started. So guys, let's log in into my Heroqash agency account so that I can show you some earning proof, and we can also go ahead and withdraw the money. So this is the dashboard, and you can see I've made some shillings here, 600 Kenya shillings, and we will go ahead and withdraw the balance. So you'll click withdraw balance, and then we'll choose M-Pesa and then enter the amount. So, and then click on request for withdrawal now. So you can see I've requested for some the withdrawal, and let's check out the dashboard. As you can see now, I have zero balance because I've withdrawn, and we can go to the withdrawal history to see the statement. You can see it's pending. So I'll receive, when I get paid, it will say paid. So let me show you how to register with this platform. So what you need to get started with this is to check out the link in description. Let me just copy paste the link here so that you can register. After clicking the link in description, you will enter your full names, enter your username, email address, and then the phone number, especially the one that you will use to receive your money, and then you enter password and click register. The next step now is to activate your account by paying only 500 Kenya shillings, and once you pay it, you'll be able to log in into your account. And when you log in into your account, you'll be able to see somewhere saying welcome bonus. So you will get 100 welcome bonus, so which you will be given after some time. So let's now go into some of the ways you can make money with Heroqash agency. As you can see here, you can make money watching YouTube videos, survey question, TikTok videos, ad clicking, and memes creation. So when you click meme write up, you write a meme and you earn some money. Same case to videos, you can click watch YouTube videos and you'll be able to make money after watching this video and claiming your earnings. So let me show you the timetable of how this platform will make you money. So for you, you will be able to follow this timetable in order to make money. As you can see, Monday survey question, Tuesday TikTok videos, and so on. Monday, Thursday you have memes, Friday ads. So another way that I usually use to make money is through affiliate marketing or referrals. As you can see, these are legit business, and I do referral marketing because I make more money doing that. Imagine referring people to pay 500 shillings. People are more willing because it's affordable. As you saw, I withdrew 600 because I've already referred to people in my level 1 and they activated their account. Same case to level 2. So if I refer Brian and Brian refers Mary, Mary will be my level 2 and I will earn 100 shillings once she activates her account. Same case if Mary refers John, that will be my level 3 and I will earn 50 shillings. So this is how you can make money with Heroqash agency. And You see the account balance for this person here is 17,000. From just a 500 investment, you have made more than 100% profit. And how do you promote this product? For example, let's go to YouTube. When you search how to make money with Heroqash agency, you will see some videos on how to make money with Heroqash agency, and these videos helps in promoting Heroqash. So these are some of the videos, and people are searching about this way to make money. So when you share with them how to register, how to do that, you'll be able to get your own clients. Same case to writing articles. For example, this article, if someone go to Google and search for how to make money with Heroqash, you will be able to find this article and register with Heroqash, and that's how you get referrals. You can also use TikTok and also Instagram to advertise your business, because people are willing to do so. I've shown you, I've withdrawn the money and it's working. So it's up to you to make the decision to get started. So in case you want to register, check out the link in the description, and you can also reach out to me so that I can help you get started. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because I'm gonna be sharing with you other ways in which I've been able to use to generate over $50 daily by making money through affiliate marketing.